kids, let's learn fruits A to Z. A for apple. Apple. Look, apples are red. B for banana. Banana. C for cherry. Look, cherries looks yummy. D for dates. Dates. Dates are sweet. E for elderberry. E for elderberry. Look, small purple berries. Yay! F for fig. Look, fig is soft inside. G for grapes. Grapes. Look kids, grapes come in bunches. H for honeydew. H for honeydew. Look, melon is light green. I for imli. Imli is tangy. J for jackfruit. Jackfruit. Look, jackfruit is big. Whoa. K for kiwi. Kiwi is green inside. L for lemon. Lemon. Lemon is sour. M for mango. Mango. Look, mango is so yummy. N for nashi pear. O for orange. Orange. Look, oranges are juicy. P for papaya. Look, papaya is soft. Q for quince. Look, yellow quince fruit. R for raspberry. Raspberry. Look, tiny red berries. S for strawberry. Strawberry. Look, strawberry has seeds outside. T for tangerine. Look, mini oranges. U for ugly fruit. Look, funny bumpy skin. V for vanilla bean. V for vanilla bean. Look, long dark beans. W for watermelon. Watermelon. Look, red and juicy watermelon. X for shigwa. X for shigwa. It's also a watermelon. Y for yellow plum. Y for yellow plum. Look, small yellow fruit. Z for zucchini. Look, long green fruit. Well done, kids!